समंदर के पानी में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो रहा हूँ।
Welcome back, viewers. In the previous vlog, we explored the mountains of Naran, Hunza, and even Africa. But today the scene is completely different. Today it's Friday, weekend vibes, and we are heading towards French Beach with my two friends for a crazy fun day.
यार क्या हाल है आपकी? आप मजा कर रहे हैं ट्रिप पे, बीच पे जा रहे हैं गहराइयों में।
French Beach is about 40 to 45 kilometers from Karachi, roughly an hour drive depending on the traffic. It's one of the city's most popular private beach, famous for its clean water, peaceful vibe, rocky shore, and stunning sunset. We are getting close to the French Beach now. It's actually a private and enclosed area, so entry without permission isn't allowed here.
यार समीर भाई ने बताया होगा।
समीर भाई नहीं बताइए गाड़ी है की गाड़ी।
Okay. So we finally reached at the French beach. So
Let's go. It's a very nice spot. And here is our friend Mr. Kamran Bhai. And what a lovely weather. Sunny day. And no doubt, it's high tide. Amazing high tide. And look at the atmosphere. Wow, lovely.
The Arabian Sea is in a completely wild mood today. The high tides are hitting hard, the waves are loud, and you can actually feel the power of the sea. French Beach is one of the Karachi's oldest and most famous private beach spot, located between Hawke's Bay and Paradise Point. People often wonders why it's called French Beach. The name French Beach came from the French expatriates and diplomats in Karachi who used to visit this coastline for private seaside gatherings many years ago.
I'm doing fine.
So what are you going to do today?
I'm going to
How are you going to enjoy?
I'm going to have a lot of fun क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है कराची में, तो हम अब बस पानी में जाएंगे और अपनी चिलिंग करेंगे और कुछ ऐसी चीजें करेंगे जो हम कैमरे पे नहीं बता सकते।
और ये देखिए द ग्रेट कामी भाई।
This private beach is being administered by the local villagers living in this enclosed area and remain closely connected to the Karachi coastal communities. The villagers and fishermen families help maintain the peaceful and private atmosphere of the beach by limiting commercial activities and large gatherings, while also protecting the natural environment from overcrowding and overdevelopment. That's why French Beach feels much calmer and more preserved compared to many other beaches in Karachi.
What an amazing, lovely sunny day. It's Friday. And let's go a little close to the shore.
भाई मैं ऐसी जगह खड़ा होना चाहता हूँ जहाँ पे ये जो लहरें हैं ना ये टकराएं जोर से और पानी हवा में उड़े सर्फ की तरह। God damn, ये चेक करे। Wow man, what a lovely। अभी मैं थोड़ा नजदीक जाता हूँ। Oh, show you। Oh damn, what a crab। Look at that crab। ओए 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 ओए। ये देखें समंदर के पानी में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो रहा हूँ। ये देखो बाबा समंदर का तूफान, तूफानी लहरें और ये देखे, वाह मैन, बस केकड़ों से बच के भाई। ये एक और बड़ी लहर आ रही है, ये देखें, सामने से उछलती हुई लहर की तरफ देखें जरा, और ये टकराएगी, ये देखें। हेलो भाईजान, हाउ आर यू?
I can see some beautiful Greek and Santorini style private huts. Here that really reflects the amazing taste of the people.
ये रॉक्स हैं सारे।
हाँ, चले जंप मारे अंदर, मारे जंप मारे अंदर,
कहाँ जाऊँगा?
नहीं जाएंगे।
Here's Maxim, taking a moment looking at
Ado,
these
ado.
high waves, thinking twice before going in.
All the way.
I finally jumped in to enjoy these waves. Honestly, the energy of the water is unreal. It's rough, powerful, and absolutely refreshing.
Man, भाईजान, ये क्या हो गया मेरे शूज? Oh man. शूज नहीं पहनते भाईजान, शूज नहीं।
I am completely enjoying the moment, jumping in and out of the water, going under the wave and coming back up again. It's pure fun, pure chaos, and honestly, just great vibes.
Hello boys. Hello
We had so much fun in the water, just enjoying every moment, laughing, making the most of the waves. The waves were literally playing with us, tossing us around and making it even more exciting. It felt like the sea was having fun with us.
आप जरा पीछे आ जाए। मेरी कैप मेरी कैप पकड़ लो। Oh, I got it. Hello, Bhajan.
Oh, Bhajan, how are you?
We just kept going back into the waves again and again. No one wanted to stop. Every time a big wave hit, it felt like a new surprise, and we were just laughing non-stop.
Crazy.
The waves were literally crazy today. Unpredictable, strong, and full of energy. Every time we went in, they hit back even harder.
Oh, crazy boy. Nabi Buck. He's a great guy, Mr. Nabi Buck. हाँ जी, Nabi Buck. अच्छा. Camel. Look at this camel. Amazing. This is the Nabi Buck, the great guy at the beach. Look at this camel. My God.
Evening is here. The sun has set, and the waves are still wild and full of energy under the fading light. But it's not finished yet. We are going to have some more fun with music. Just good vibes, the ocean, and the moment. We were thoroughly enjoying the moment, dancing, laughing, and just living it in front of the sea. What an amazing evening! The sunset vibes and the ocean setting the perfect mood.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई और जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा। शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे दूर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे दूर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। घुंघरुओं से बजती है बूंदे, अरमां हमारे पलके न बूंदे। कैसे देखे देखे अपने नयन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, हाय करे अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन। लगी कैसी ये अगन।
So here is the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please subscribe and like for more fun and adventures. Thank you. Bye bye.